it's Em. Welcome to my channel. This is the first of a 3-part series of losing my lockdown weight. I've put on 6 kilograms in the last 2 months. I'm unmotivated and lazy. I'm trying to kickstart my health and fitness journey with changing my diet, so that's what this video is. There's some science behind what you eat you crave more of because of the bacteria in your stomach. Apparently it's a thing. So I'm trying to eat really clean and healthy this week, not snack, and drink a lot more water than I would usually. And yeah, I hope that I see some progress. I hope that you enjoy coming along for the journey, and maybe you will want to do something like this as well. And it's just some like food ideas for clean and healthy eating. I hope you enjoy this video. Let's see what I ate this week. So it's Monday. For lunch I had leftover ratatouille. It was so good. I haven't snacked yet. Hopefully I'll be full after my Buddah bowl and I won't be feeling like I need a snack. Let's go and make dinner. It's Tuesday and today I had eggs and purgatory for lunch, and today for dinner is a pesto chicken Buddah bowl. Let's go make it. It's Wednesday and today for lunch I had falafel on sourdough toast. It was so good. Tonight for dinner is sweet potato Buddah bowl, so let's go make it.
People act. People act. People act.
It's Thursday. I find that a coffee keeps me going in the morning if I don't have breakfast. I'm trying to cut them out, but it's really hard. I'm still trying. For lunch I had eggs, avocado and tomatoes. This evening's Buddah bowl is teriyaki salmon. So let's go and make today's Buddah bowl. Friday. Today I had a chicken and egg salad for lunch. I'm feeling good now that I'm doing this because I actually am feeling like I'm making some progress and I'm feeling happier and healthier already. Today for dinner we are having a falafel Buddah bowl, which is like a real Buddah bowl because they should be like vegetarian or vegan. Let's go and make dinner. Today I had a chicken and bean salad for lunch and I'm having a fajita cauliflower Buddah bowl for dinner. Let's go make it.
People act. People act. People act. People act.
of having Buddah bowl, and today I had vegetarian sausages with egg and sweet potato for lunch, and tonight is a miso mushroom Buddah bowl. I'm sure you're fed up of me saying the word Buddah bowl over and over and over again. I feel so good. I've lost a tiny bit of weight, I've toned up a bit, I'm feeling so much better in myself, and it has made me crave healthier foods and like not want a takeaway every night. So I'm really happy. This has definitely kick-started my lockdown weight loss journey. Let's go and make our last Buddah bowl of the week.